connection, without a follow, without a mention. You really piping up on these niggas. You gotta be nice for what to these niggas? I understand.
Hey guys, and welcome to my channel. If you're new and if you're an old subscriber, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a DIY teeth whitener, and I decided to do this video because I've been seeing a lot of charcoal teeth whiteners selling on Instagram and stuff like that, and I just thought that I would do a video on how to make your own and save some coins. And this is what it looks like. This is mine that I made. I'm just going to show you guys how I make it now, and that'll be it. So of course you're going to need some charcoal, and I just got the activated charcoal tablets. You're also going to need some baking soda, and I keep my baking soda in this container, so this is it in here. And lastly, you're going to need a container to put it in. I'm going to mix the new one for you guys in this, and something to mix it with. You can mix it with your finger, but I don't really want charcoal all over my finger right now, so that's why I use a spoon. I'm also going to be brushing my teeth with it to show you guys, and yeah, let's get into this video. I'm going to start by adding my baking soda. So that's 1 spoonful. Two spoonfuls. 3 spoonfuls. So I did 3 spoonfuls of this, and I'm just gonna break up the big chunks so that, of course, when you're putting it on the toothbrush, it's easier. So that's my baking soda. Now for the activated charcoal, I'm gonna use 3 of these activated charcoal tablets. I'm just gonna open them and pour them into the baking soda. And this is how it looks emptied. I just open the capsule and pour it in. And I'm gonna take it and stir it up. And this is how it looks. If you guys want it any darker, well, you know, you just add less baking soda. But this is the teeth whitener. I think I did add too much of the baking soda, but yeah, that's basically how you mix it. What I usually do, I usually have a separate toothbrush for this, because obviously when you put this on the toothbrush, it's going to get dark, but sometimes it goes missing, so I just use my regular toothpaste toothbrush. So what I usually do, I brush my teeth with toothpaste first, and then after that I brush my teeth again with this on it. Or sometimes I just add this on top of the toothpaste and brush with both of them together. You guys can do whichever you choose, but I'm gonna go brush my teeth with toothpaste first, and then come back and brush my teeth with the mixture that we just did. So what I do, I usually start off with a wet toothbrush so that the baking soda and charcoal sticks to the toothbrush, and this is what it looks like. And then I just brush my teeth with this. Okay, so I finished brushing my teeth with both toothpaste and the mixture, and as you guys can hear, my teeth are squeaky clean. that's the end of this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and stay tuned for my next upload.